Hi, my name is Josh, and I'm your teacher today, and we're looking at school. Let's look at some words for school. Squad, squad. Or I'm sorry, quad, quad. This would be a quad. 2, field, field. 3, bleachers, bleachers. 4, principal, principal. 5, assistant principal, assistant principal. 6, counselor, counselor. 7, classroom, classroom. 8, teacher, teacher. 9, restrooms, restrooms. 10, hall, hallway. 11, locker, locker. The boy is putting a bag in his locker. 12, main office, main office. 13, clerk, clerk. 14, cafeteria, cafeteria. 15, computer lab, computer lab. 16, teacher's aide, teacher's aide. 17, library, library. 18, auditorium, auditorium. 19, gym, gym. 20, coach, coach. 21, track, track. More vocabulary. Students do not pay to attend a public school. Public schools in America are free. Students pay to attend a private school. A church, mosque, or temple school is a parochial school. Use contractions and talk about the picture. So you have he is. The contraction is when you put a pronoun and a be verb together and you take out one of the letters and put an apostrophe in its place. So for example, he is, he's. It is, it's. He's a teacher. He is a teacher. She is, she's. They are, they're. They're students. They are students. He's running. He's a coach. They're basketball players. She's in the computer lab. He's in the library. They're in the auditorium. They're eating lunch. He's putting his books in his locker. He's teaching a class. He's talking to the students. It's the quad. It's the field. All right. Well, we got a lot of new words here in practice. I hope that was